ఓకే అమ్మా. సో మనం సింపుల్ పాస్ట్ అయిపోయింది, సింపుల్ ప్రెజెంట్ అయిపోయింది, పాస్ట్ టెన్స్ అయిపోయింది, ప్రెజెంట్ లో ఏంటి లాస్ట్ అండ్ ఫైనల్ వన్ ప్రెజెంట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్. ప్రెజెంట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ యాక్టివ్ వాయిస్, ప్యాసివ్ వాయిస్. సో మనందరికీ తెలిసింది ప్రెజెంట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ యాక్టివ్ వాయిస్ మీన్స్ టెన్సెస్ స్ట్రక్చర్. సో ప్రెజెంట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ యాక్టివ్ వాయిస్ అంటే టెన్స్ ఒక స్ట్రక్చర్. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద స్ట్రక్చర్ ఫర్ ప్రెజెంట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్? ప్రెజెంట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ స్ట్రక్చర్ సబ్జెక్ట్ ప్లస్ have a has be3 plus object. Present perfect structure subject plus have a has be3 plus object. Present perfect structure subject plus have a has be3 plus object. For active voice, so మనకి ఇంగ్లీష్ లాంగ్వేజ్ లో 7 pronouns ఉంటాయి. I, we, you, they, he, she, it. Very. So in the pronouns only I pronoun, we pronoun, you pronoun, they pronoun. These 4 pronouns we use have. We use have. Remaining pronouns we pronoun, she pronoun, it pronoun. For these three pronouns we use have. So this is the basic general structure for English grammar. So I, we, you, they we use have. We use have. So that's why children after by have them. Children means plural form. Children means plural form. Children compared with they. Children compared with they. For they, what were they? What were they? Have. That means children often have game. So children have played cricket. First, you have to write what is subject, what is verb, what is object. If you write like this means whenever you transmit to passive voice means it is quite simple. So children is a subject. Children is a subject. Played is a verb. Which was B3? Because have after always B3 only come. Have after always B3 వస్తుంది. Have తర్వాత has తర్వాత ఇప్పుడు కూడా B3 వస్తుంది. This is the perfect. Perfect always B3 forms వస్తాయి. So children have played cricket. So verb after remaining sentence comes object. So what is subject? What is verb? What is object? So children is subject. Whenever subject after have or has will come means that is called present perfect. Subject after had come means that is past perfect. Subject after V2 will come means that is called simple past. Subject after V1 will come means that is simple present. Subject after V5 will come means that is also simple present. Subject after was were come means past continuous. Subject after had come means past perfect. Here subject after have came, not only have. Has come also we use present perfect. So subject after have came means that is absolutely present perfect. This is a clue one. This is a clue one. So whenever subject after have came means that is absolutely declared as a present perfect. So this is the present perfect active voice. So we have to transmit this sentence into passive voice. How to transmit active voice into passive voice? So with the help of structure, with the help of this structure, we have to transmit active voice into transferred into passive voice. How to transfer active voice to passive voice? By using this structure. So in the structure, in this passive voice structure, first what there in passive voice structure, first object there. In this passive voice structure, what there first object there. But in this sentence, what is object? Cricket. In this sentence, what is object? Cricket. So according to present perfect passive voice, first object there. So first we have to write object. So in this sentence, what is object? Cricket. So first we have to write cricket. You see capital. So cricket after. Cricket is object. So object completed. So passive voice rule, present perfect passive voice, first object you need to write. So we completed object. One object transform. So object completed. Object after have will come or has will come. Only one. Has come. Verify by using pronouns. So cricket is I pronoun. No. Cricket is we pronoun. No. Cricket is you. Do for cricket. No. Cricket is the cricket is wala. Kaadu. So cricket means what? He. Atada. Kaadu. Cricket is aane. Kaadu. Cricket means what? It's a game, it is sport. For games and sport, we should use as a it. So cricket is declared as a it pronoun. So for it, what there has there. So cricket. So by using have and has, we use has because cricket is a it. For it has been. Cricket has been. So this completed. Next we need to write what? B3. So here B3. Here also there B3 only. Here also there B3 only. So here B3 is what? Play. So here also there B3. So same as this we have to write here B3 same alike. So what is B3? Play. So played. So lastly, so played. B3 also completed. B3 also completed. Object completed cricket. Has completed. Why means cricket we use has. So been completed. Next B3 completed. So next you have to write subject. Lastly you have to write subject. Eventually you need to write subject. What is subject here? Children. Children is the subject. So far, simply you write lost children. With the help of structure, you have to write like this. So structure plays a vital role. Structure plays an important, essential role. So while transmitting active voice into passive voice. So for present perfect, this is the structure for passive voice. Simple past, one type of structure is there. Simple past, active voice means subject plus VP plus object. Passive voice, object plus was ever VP plus subject. So present perfect means you have to write only present perfect passive structure only. Past continuous means you have to write past continuous passive structure only. Okay, Nama? So you do not interchange simple past to past continuous. You do not interchange present continuous to past perfect. You have to write same alike. Clear? So again I am going to repeat this one. See, Amma, children have played cricket. This is the sentence. Children have played cricket. This is the present perfect sentence. This sentence have to write passive voice. Most important tense, present perfect. So in any question paper, so present perfect, the question will come from present perfect and simple past. So present perfect plays an important role for passive voice. Not only for passive voice, direct indirect speech also present perfect tense is the most important tense. With the help of present perfect tense only many questions will be come. So now see ma, here children have played cricket. So this is a subject, this is a VP, this is the object. You have to write like this. So again I am repeating. So listen carefully. For passive voice, first you need to write object. First you need to write object. What is object here? Cricket. So as is I write object. Why cricket came first? Because with in the passive voice structure of present perfect, first object there. So that's why I write first cricket. Cricket have comma has comma. Cricket means it. So we use has. So has been. I write has been. Then after right we have to write B3. This is B3. Here B3 is what? Played. Same played. I had written here. Then after lastly eventually what you need to write? Subject. So subject, what subject there here? Children. So the children I had written here. So this is the passive voice present perfect tense. Whenever question comes from present perfect tense means with the help of this structure carefully transmit active voice to passive voice. So this is the active voice passive voice. Hope you understand how to change active voice present perfect to passive voice present perfect. Clear, ma? So now I am going to ask some questions. You need to tell me the structure for simple past tense. Very good. Sit down. Next, past passive voice structure.
Object plus
Was by word.
plus object.
Subject. Good. Sit down. Next, Josh, now stand up. Past continuous. A pronounced was the A pronounced word was the.
I, he, she, was.
Get.
I, he, she, was. We, you, they, he, were.
Class. Next, Jashwant. 9th class Jashwant. Naladaru. Present perfect active voice structure.
Subject plus have as V3 plus object.
Next. Have K pronouns vaste for in present perfect tense. Have K pronouns vaste, has K pronouns vaste. Very good. Clap. Next. Bhavya, stand up. Past continuous structure.
Subject plus verb by verb. Subject plus verb by verb. So plus object.
Next, class. Present continuous passive voice structure. Puri. Present continuous passive voice structure.
Subject plus am is at being.
Objectless. Repeat again.
Object plus am is at being. Plus subject.
Very good. Children have completed homework. Change into passive voice.
Homework has been completed by.
చెప్పమ్మా. So simple present కదమ్మా. Simple present. I am playing cricket. Change into passive voice.
Cricket, present continuous.
Passive
Cricket is being played by me.
Present continuous passive structure.
Present continuous. Object plus am is are being V3 plus subject.
Very good. Ujwala stand up. Ujwala had completed task.
Task had been completed by.
Repeat again.
Task had been completed by.
Very good. Ujwala. Next, Vivek is preparing Maggie. Very good. Maggie is being prepared by Vivek. Good. Very good. Margo, stand up. Tell me the clue words for present continuous tense. Clue words for present continuous tense.
Look, listen, don't disturb now.
Very good. Praneeth, tell me the clue words for simple past tense.
Yesterday, last week, last month,
Tell me the clue words for past perfect tense.
By this time, yesterday, by this time, last week, by
Excellent, ma. Claps.